So apparently, a NASA space probe unexpectedly glimpsed the surface of Venus in a stunning new first. Check out that gorgeous photo.
Yeah, they had to use the dispersal ray to get rid of the radiation to get through the radiation dust around Earth, though.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, I know what you're talking about now. Fucking A. I thought you were actually talking something there, and then you brought Commando Cody into all this. New images recorded by NASA's Parker Solar Probe have revealed the red hot glow of Venus's surface radiating through its shroud of toxic clouds, a finding that can help us better understand the minerals making up this rocky and mysterious planet. Using data from the Wide Field Imager for Parker Solar Probe, or WHISPER, instrument, scientists were
Ooh.
able to peer beneath the planet's thick atmosphere, discovering geological features such as highlands, plateaus, and plains. It's a planet. It's rocky. It's going to have that stuff.
Not
Venus.
necessarily.
Well, you're right. I guess Mars. Well, I mean, are you sure? I mean, if it's made out of rock, you would think it's naturally going to have divots in it.
Yeah, not all hashtag not all planets.
Okay, my bad. My bad. My bad. Venus is the third brightest thing in the sky, but until recently, we have not had much information on what the surface looked like because our view of it has been blocked by a thick atmosphere, says astrophysicist and Whisper team member Brian Wood of the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory. Now we are finally seeing the surface's visible wavelengths for the first time from space. Although relatively close to Earth, Venus has proven very difficult to study. It's known as Earth's evil twin because while similar to Earth in size, mass, and structure and composition, it's deeply hostile to life. Earth is temperature and wet. It's temperate and wet. I thought it said temperature and wet. I was like, what?
Earth is
Earth is
wet.
temperate and wet. Venus is dry and possibly volcanic, with surface temperatures averaging 471 degrees Celsius or 880 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, no step
Well, that's what
planet.
I'm saying, D. I know that there are gas planets out there, but that's why I said rocky planets. You would think any planet that is classified as a rocky planet to be textured, is what I'm saying. It's not going to be smooth.
I don't know. Some of the icy moons are like that,
That's not a planet. That's an icy moon.
but they're the size of planets.
Venus's sky is filled with thick, toxic cloud that rain sulfuric acid. These features make the planet difficult to investigate up close. Landers have been sent, and they end up kind of melting, and those suffocating clouds make external observations of the surface not impossible, but tricky. That's where Whisper ended up surprising scientists. Last year, it took some images of Venus's night side that seemed to show surface features through the cloud layers. The images and video just blew me away. We have a video.
Yeah.
Let's watch
All right, let's watch it. Fuck it. And by the way, when in the future we discover a planet that is like
it.
completely ripped smooth and like polished like a fucking marble,
I will be proven wrong.
then we can talk. Yeah, but then
Yeah.
there'll be like fucking one giant crack on the back of it when we finally get there. We'll be like, ah, fuck.
And thank you, Pondrook, for taking my side. I appreciate that.
It's horse shit. Ooh,
Oh, they have music and everything. I like it.
really fucking loud. Captured the first
It's a
visible.
3-minute video, so we might not watch the whole thing.
Well, let's see.
Yeah, we'll see what we got.
Repurposing content is kind of the purpose of this show.
Absolutely. But in 2020 and 2021, Parker Solar Probe pointed its cameras to the night side of Venus as the spacecraft flew by. The cameras are known as the Wide Field Imager for Solar Probe, or WISP.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Wow, dust in the wind. We're all just like dust in the wind,
Dust
man.
in the wind, man. Instead, they saw light and dark surface features through the clouds. This is the first time visible light from the Venusian surface has been captured from space.
Something that's never been seen before. This emission that we're seeing is thermal emission. Even on the night side, the surface of Venus is so hot that it's glowing faintly at very red wavelengths.
Nice.
In the images, light areas are hotter and dark areas are cooler. Yeah, that's generally how that works.
Whisper images, I think, are really exciting because they provide a new window into the lower atmosphere and surface region of Venus where these extreme conditions exist.
Hell yeah. Dude, look at that shit.
Oh, wow. Aphrodite Terra, the largest highland region in Venus. Higher elevations tend to be cooler and lowland regions hotter. Well, yeah, they,
Maybe.
well, that makes sense. They'd be able to release more heat.
Hmm.
The images could also help scientists see the other heat variations.
Another really interesting thing we could look for is potentially mineralogical differences. Different rocks and different minerals emit different levels of heat.
Yeah, with different densities to absorb and
Right.
release heat.
Understanding the composition of the surface could teach us about the planet's evolution. Today, Venus is inhospitable to life with extreme temperatures, toxic clouds, and a crushing atmosphere. But the planet may have had a different past.
Coming to a planet near you.
We have chemical fingerprints in Venus's atmosphere and on its surface, suggesting that Venus might have been habitable in the past.
Yeah. We talked about this. The fuck gas was it? Was it the ammonia or something?
Yeah, but they're saying if it was, how did it all get in the? I imagine it would have to be from volcanic earthquakes and things like that, right?
No, it was the most likely culprit is life forms.
Oh wow.
I think. I might be making that up. We have to check our other video. Russians landed on Venus, yeah.
This is something
Yeah, they landed a
extremely
probe on
new.
Venus.
Yeah.
We've landed probes on Venus, but most of the like the
They-
article said, most of the time they melt.
They last like maybe like 5 minutes, not even.
You just fucking snap pictures as you're going to the ground.
Yeah, they last just long enough to get like one transmission out. They're like, it's hot. That's poor little robot.
Yep.
Yeah, so yeah,
we
that just
the video
explained
everything.
We
The
we
video
don't.
just explained everything.
Of the two remaining gravity assists, only one will allow for observations. The final gravity assist scheduled for November 6th, 2024. We'll be fascinated to see what else Whisper might find. We're thrilled with the science insights Parker Solar Probe has provided us thus far.
As he said, pushing his glasses back up on his nose. I don't know that guy. I'm just making a joke.
I don't know. So yeah, cool shit. Fucking science.